The Unsilencing bootcamp has meant so much to my inner child and how I grew up. I don't think I've ever been in a space where my Blackness and my Hispanic identity have ever felt like they were acknowledged. And I've never been in a space where I was able to use my voice to talk about my experiences.
Latinas are often seen as our opinions and our thoughts don't matter, and we're not given platforms and opportunities to shape the political discourse. And so I wanted to use Our Unsilencing to provide those pathways for Latinas and other underrepresented young people who have important things to say.
I think a lot of voices are missing from mainstream media. Black people, Latino people, disabled people, even immigrant voices. We're talking so much about immigrants and we don't talk to them.
A lot of fear-mongering comes around and a lot of stereotypes really shine through. And unfortunately, that does not accurately depict the passionate community members that we are as Latinas.
Why are we painting like half pictures of people? People are whole people, and if we don't interact with them and get their voice in there, we're not telling the full story.
The Unsilencing Bootcamp has definitely changed my life. It's really ignited a spark in me.
Programs like this are extremely important because they give students representation that's really, really needed, especially in large institutions. I think it's super important that students can see themselves in the people that are teaching them, that are helping them learn about how to write, how to cover their own communities, and how to utilize those skills to really be able to tell these important stories in our communities during this time.
I'm so happy with all the networking experience that I've been able to connect. My colleagues reading their papers, reading their op-eds, I'm so inspired by them. I'm so happy that we have Latinas in our generation here at USC, and I'm so grateful to be here.
I really believe in is like you have to start with yourself and with your community, with your family, because sometimes if we're trying to focus on like, oh, we want to change the world. Well, the world is a big place, but the world is also your home. You know, it's also your family, your local community, your school community, like that. Those are the places that where change can begin.
You know, I think a lot of times people want to say that we need to humanize our stories so that we can change hearts and minds. To be honest, like, I'm not so interested in changing hearts and minds. I am more interested in like lighting a fire in our own hearts, right? We often say we need to preach beyond the choir, and I know that people are doing that and I think it's important. It's just not work that I want to do. I want to sing to the choir because I want to energize the choir.
And don't be afraid of being not perfect. Like, that's the way that you're gonna find your style of video, your style of reporting, your style of doing commentary is by just trying different ways.
And so I want to create a pathway for diverse voices to be seen as public intellectuals, to be seen as people who have something meaningful, something with the depth to say about what's happening politically in our country.
Unsilencing means amplifying the voices of marginalized communities, amplifying their daily stories and their daily struggles, because we oftentimes don't see the rawness and the authenticity of the heart of people's struggles and their stories.
I'm finally at a point where I know that I am allowed to speak up, and I am allowed to be heard, and I deserve to be heard, and I have been given the skills that I need to do so. And it's going to forever change the way I move within the world.
I think the biggest insight that I've seen and taken away is that my voice matters and my voice can coexist with the policies that I'm writing about. And that's changed my day-to-day life in the sense that I show up differently in the work that I do, and I'm very intentional about my words because words have power.
My hope is for these young people to become the future opinion columnists of major publications and to create their own media companies. I want them to transform the media landscape and to bring their own imaginations to what the media can be.